It's vibrating again. It's not this. This is a heater. It's not on. Let's see. There is a vent up there, but that's not on either. I don't hear it on. The house is pretty cold. I'm keeping it at 64. She had it at 64. Can't say it's paranormal for sure. I mean, it could be airflow. There's no windows open. I'm the only one here. Somebody vibrating the door. Can you bang or tap? I heard gunshots a while ago. Like 3 or 4 gunshots. Not nearby, but I thought Lodi was a nice town. It's kind of like Stockton and Modesto. Also saw some homeless people coming here too, but I guess that's everywhere in California. I hear the REM pods going off. Can you open the door, spirits? Open the door. Turn the doorknob. I do have it locked, but turn the doorknob. There's probably no point in me having it locked because I'm the only one here. I guess the owner could come from next door. She scared me earlier bringing in groceries. She had no room in her freezer, I guess. She probably wanted to check on me too, but she did have groceries with her, so I don't know. So paranormal, I don't know. It's more of a gentle vibration now. Initially it sounded like shaking the door. Can you spirit show yourself? Come towards the light of my phone. Talking to my phone. See? That's violent. That's some violent shaking. It just stopped. That's weird. What the hell? Yeah, complete silence now. Hello? If I hear footsteps, I'm gonna freak out. Hello? Anybody walking around? Can you knock over a toilet paper roll or that tissue box? That little bar of soap? Don't throw my device though, please. Or that sticky roller pad. You spirits throw something. If you don't want me here, like you've been saying. Hello. Yoo-hoo. Knock on the door. What the fuck was that? It sounded like that was in the other room. Did you knock in the other room? You know what I'm wondering what that sound was? If that was the rubber ball I put there for them to knock down. I'll have to go find out and see. I put a cat ball on top of it too because it has holes on it. It's not like completely round. You bang on the wall, spirits. Nellie or Maurice or whoever's here. Or the guy that didn't want me to sit on the sofa out there in the lobby. Make a noise. Make a noise if you want me to leave. Throw something. You could throw one of those toilet paper rolls right at me, or the tissue box. Come on, chuck it at me. If you don't like me, chuck it at me. You know what chuck means? Throw it at me. I probably don't know what chuck means. They're from the 1800s. There's a tissue box over there and another toilet paper roll. Throw that at me. What was that? I guess you're not capable of doing it, huh? Too weak, too tired, too lazy? You guys are gonna get really mad when I have my friend online. I think I'm gonna stop this. It's getting close to 10 minutes. You must not want me gone that bad if you can't throw something.